back with this video showing you guys what I use for my box braids. So I'm going on a trip in a few days, and I know I just had my box braids on my knotless box braids in, but I took them out so I can do it over, show you guys how to do it, refresh my hair so it can look nice and fresh for my trip. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys the products that you need to be using in order to get this done. You only need like probably like 2 to 3 products, maybe 4, but I'm gonna show you. So the first product, this is what's going to help you slick your edges down, slick your hair down. This tag will come off, so everything can look seamless and flawless as if you went to the salon and got your hair done. So this is the Murray's Edge Wax. You're gonna need this. This is what it looks like inside. It's real white. It's really, you can't even tell, but it's like really thick. You're gonna need that to, you know, slick everything down, especially when you break your hair down. The next thing you need is your hair. This is the Outre Expressions pre-stretch hair. Now I already used some of this packet for my other hair, but I only used it for like 1 braid. And depending on how thick your hair is, you probably only need like maybe 1 pack. I only use, well, not really 1 pack, I just say I use this, but I used 1 pack and a small hair strand of this to do it. And I bought 3. This was like $6 a pack. It's just not that bad. This is what it looks like. This is the 52 inches. So I cut it a little bit last time because I want it long, but not too long. But this time I'm not cutting it. Like, I'm gonna just let it just be as long as it is, just free flowing as it is. So that's what I'm going to do. I need that, and then maybe like towards the end, when everything is done, you're gonna need some mousse. I don't feel like getting my mousse right now, but I'll probably show my mousse towards the end of this video, hopefully. But you need mousse. If you don't use like hot water to like seal in your end, then you can use mousse as well. And then for your scalp, you can use like any oil. So you can use like, I don't know, your wild growth oil. Or if you have like a, you know, an oil blend. This is my oil blend that I made. It really works for my hair and stuff. If y'all want the deets, if y'all wanna buy it, I don't know, DM me, contact me. You could work something out. But those are the main products that you need. You probably need like a little comb or brush or something to, you know, make sure your hair stays tangled. But that's really it. That's all you really need. So I'm gonna do the first couple of braids off camera, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys exactly what I do. I'll show y'all how I do this. Remind me, I'm looking at my mirror and my rear view, so don't mind it. So I have my 3 pieces ready or whatever. So basically, I like take a piece, and take your time with this too. Take a piece, do your regular 3 sections. You braid it as usual. I only braid a little bit. Then I stop. Then I take 1 piece. Kind of like put it over my head to help when I'm feeding in the braid. Then I braid. And then I bring the other piece down. Then I go like that. And I keep braiding. And then you should have 2 pieces with hair, 1 piece without hair. And then once you get, I'm lefty, so I go on my left side, but once I get to the piece on my left side that has no hair, I take another piece of hair And do the same thing like I did with the first time with the first piece of hair. Hopefully I'm explaining this right, and hopefully y'all can like really see it. See what I'm doing. Hopefully. Okay, battery's good. Cause last time I tried to do this for y'all, it was like 4 in the morning. I was so tired. I'm like, they're gonna have to see what I do next time I do this. Then I keep braiding down, and since I'm doing these braids extra long, like to my kneecaps long, like I'm so serious, like to my kneecaps long, what I'm gonna keep doing is keep braiding a little bit, and before my natural hair runs out of hair for me to grip onto, I will add the third piece of hair to not only make the braid thicker, but to give it more length in the front. Because you know, the more you go up on your head, the less the length is going to be, if that makes sense. Anyway, I don't know what the hell I'm talking about. I'll braid one more time. Look at my braids extra long this time. Why? I don't know. I started off long, so I'm like, okay, I might as well just keep the longness going. And I'm not going nowhere special, so it doesn't really matter. Now I took the last piece, you know, and then I do it again. And then after that, I just keep on braiding down, and that's really it. Hopefully y'all can see what I did. And this is also taking me a little longer to do because since the braids are so long and you gotta braid all the way down, I'm not doing it to where like I braid a little bit and then stop and do the rest, but then braid the rest later. I might as well just keep going and braiding down, so by the time that I'm finished with all of my head, I'm actually finished. I could just like either, you know, put my ends in hot water or mousse everything down, things of that nature. So that's why I just keep going all the way down, just finish it instead of doing every braid later. That no, it's taking too much time, so I'd rather just go all the way down. Braid right here. So I'm gonna do the same thing. First I'm gonna oil my scalp. I didn't do it first time, but I'm gonna put some of this wild growth hair oil, whatever, on my scalp. Just a tad bit, not a lot. You take hair and separate it into threes. So 1, 2, 3. You lay them out separately. Don't get tangled or smushed together. Then you gotta pull them apart. Okay, I'm gonna re-braid it over. 1, 2, 3. And braid. And then let's stop. And take your first piece of hair, put it on your head. Put it with the first piece that you're gonna cross over with. Braid this one over. This. And then you're gonna take, oh my god, take your second piece on your head, braid, down. Take your last piece of hair. Then braid all the way down. My lip gloss will be on my website very soon. Alright, so I'll make it back to y'all when my hair is finished and it's looking kind of cute. Cause yeah, cause you're not gonna be able to see the rest. It's just like so dark in the back, so you're not gonna be able to see the rest. But I will come back and show you guys what the finished look looks like. Okay, people, so this is the final and finished look. As you can see, my braids look good. This is like, I think a day later. You hear the music in the background, don't mind it. But my mom's watching the whole Teddy Riley babyface thingy. Yeah. So, but yeah, these are my braids, whatever. They're really, really long. Like, even if I stand up, you're not gonna be able to see the end of it. It's like, I go all the way down. It's like really like touching my kneecaps. Is it focused? Yeah. It's touching my kneecaps, so that's how long it is. I made it extra longer this time, like I said, while doing it. Yeah, y'all, so I really like it. This is my 3rd time doing it. I can finally show y'all what the finished product looked like, how I did it, and everything like that. So yeah, but this style is gonna last me a minute. And even like when I refresh my hair, I do the same exact thing. The only difference is that I'm just taking it out. But probably this time when I refresh it, since my hair is not straightened, I'll take what I showed you in the previous video, the beeswax edge wax thingy, whatever. I put that on my hair, you know, make sure my hair lays flat. Take a little brush to brush it, to detangle it. Then, you know, do the same process when I refresh. And I only focus on the front, what you can really see. Thank y'all for watching. Thank you guys for tuning in so much. And I will definitely see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.